Hello everyone! I just made Better Tracker 2, a powerful and easy-to-use tracking tool for the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. Let me show you how it works. First, select the area you want to track. In this example, I'll track her eye. Click Turn On to activate the tracker. Set the tracking method to Best Match for the most accurate results, then click the Track button. Once the tracking is done, scroll down and choose the axis you want to stabilize. I'll try stabilizing both X and Y. As you can see, it's super smooth. If you want to disable stabilization, just click Turn Off All. You can also enable only X or Y. Here, I'll turn on just the X-axis. Now, if you want your text to follow the tracked object, here's what to do. Drag your text node and connect it to the green input arrow. That's the background input. I'll customize the text so it's easier to see. Go back to the Better Tracker node and click X and Y, or choose just X or Y. It's totally up to you. There's another way to make your text follow a tracked point. Just follow these steps. I'll zoom in and center the character. Then customize the text. Once that's done, open the Text Plus in the Fusion page, hold Shift, and click the node to disconnect it from Media Out 1. Then press Shift Space, search for Media In 1, and connect it to Media Out 1. Set this as the background. Now, press Shift Space again, find a better tracker, and place it in the flow. This time, I'll track her nose. After tracking, simply connect your text node to the green arrow, then click X and Y, and your text will now follow the object perfectly. That's it. I hope you enjoy using Better Tracker 2. I've included installation instructions inside the .zip file, so don't forget to check that out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!